To activate Apple Pay NFC payments, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay. This includes iPhone 6 and later models, Apple Watch, iPad Air 2 and later, and Mac models from 2012 or later. First, you need to add a credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. To do this, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card, and take a photo of the card or enter the card details manually. Next, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. Read these carefully before agreeing, as they outline the rules and fees associated with using Apple Pay. After agreeing to the terms, your bank will verify the information and may ask for additional verification. This is a security measure to ensure that you are the legitimate owner of the card. Once your card is verified, it will be added to the Wallet app and you can start using Apple Pay. To make a payment, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authorize the payment with your fingerprint, face, or passcode. When using Apple Pay, make sure to keep your device and card information secure. Use a strong passcode and keep your device up to date with the latest software. It is also important to note that not all merchants accept Apple Pay, so it is a good idea to check with the merchant before attempting to make a payment. By following these steps, you can easily activate Apple Pay NFC payments and start making secure and convenient transactions with your device. Remember to always keep your device and card information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions.